Well, and some news coming in. It's once again the Delhi government versus civic bodies in the national capital on the chicken ban. The Delhi chief minister wants poultry markets to be reopened, but this comes after all three civic bodies had banned the chicken sale yesterday. Alok joins us for more on this. Alok, this is a very confusing situation, I suppose, for the residents of Delhi who now don't know whether or not they can buy and consume chicken in the city.
Yes, absolutely, Aarti. The simple question for the people of the Delhi is whether they have to eat chicken or not. Because the municipal corporation of Delhi, all three municipal corporations of Delhi have already banned the sale and purchase of the flesh, of this chicken flesh. And now the Delhi government is opening the banning of, and in fact they have withdrawing the banning of the flying bird and also the import of this flying bird, and also they have also withdrawn the order of the sale and purchase of the chicken. Remember, the Delhi's largest poultry market, that is Gazipur Murga Mandi, and that was ordered to be closed just 3-4 days ago by the Delhi government when there were a few samples were found to be positive, and that samples were found to be positive from other parts of the national capital. But the Delhi government also sent the sample from the bird of the poultry market as well, that is the Gazipur Murga Mandi. Out of those samples, now all those 100 samples are found to be negative. So that is why the Delhi government has announced the opening of the poultry market and also withdraw the order of the sale and purchase, the banning of sale of purchase of the chicken. But now, because the municipal corporations of Delhi's order still exists, so definitely this is a confusing situation for the people of the Delhi, whether they have to eat, whether they have to purchase or sell this chicken in the national capital.
Well, certainly a confusing situation. If you stay in Delhi, you're not really sure whether or not you can purchase and consume chicken. Hopefully, there'll be some clarity soon on this matter. Alok, thank you so much for bringing us that update.